Hey YouTube, how we doing today? That's right, it's that time of the month. The PMP Prep Box is back. I know, it's a huge freaking box. Man, I wonder what he sent this month. Well, stay tuned after we roll the intro. We gonna show ya. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for all you longtime viewers who have yet to subscribe, here's a good chance for you, man. Look down here. I believe it's going to be right down here. That's going to be a channel watermark that's going to pop up. Hover over that thing and just nail subscribe for me. For you first-time viewers of the channel, there's a good chance to pick up on the insanity that has become our little corner of YouTube. Now, as you saw by that intro, we are going to take a look at the PMP Prep Box for November 2018. Now, if you're unfamiliar with PMP Prep Box is, basically it's a monthly subscription box with 2 levels. If you're curious about all the other ones we've had here on the channel, look up there. Seriously, look up there. There's going to be a little card for every single PMP Prep Box we've done so far. Now, guys, like we always do, there's the packing list. There's your basic, and there's your advanced, for lack of a better phrase. He only has 2 levels, level 1, level 2. Now, as you just saw by part of that, let's just go ahead and take a look. Alright? First item up is the Bushcraft 2 by Real Steel. Now, I gotta tell you honestly, this thing's got a $75.50 value over on realsteelknives.com. And I love the fact that Jason's putting down basically where he's getting his evaluation from. I was about to buy one of these on Amazon 15 minutes before the mailman showed up with this month's box. So, Jason, thank you, brother. Alright, enough talk from me. Comes with, little information. Woo! Now, this is what I kind of like. Alright? Basically, comes with, like, plastic, Kydex sheath. It feels Kydex to me, so there we go. I love the fact it's got a little drain hole. I love the fact that if you get a tech lock or whatever, you can, attach this multiple ways to yourself. Or you can even just run paracord through it and make it a different way. I wouldn't recommend this as a neck knife, because it's got some weight to it. But there it is, guys. I can tell you right off the bat, it is made from D2 steel. I do love the two-tone handle, for lack of a better phrase, the scales, the black on the red. This is an exact, I should say, I brought the folding version of this. I did a video, not brought, but I did a video of this not too long ago. And these two are very, very similar in size and weight and everything else. So I think it's cool. Now we got the fixed blade. The other thing I think is real friggin' cool. Yeah, of course, I just burp. Is they give you a way to attach it. Now, you can do it, multiple ways, like, okay, scout, normal belt dangler, or, a little bit lower, however you want to do it. Your imagination is up to you. That's pretty cool. I think, honestly, that's the first fixed blade that we've got from the PMP Prep Box. And of course, yeah, I say this, and looky, more instructions. So, hey, not a bad deal. Not a bad deal. Alright, next item up was the next item actually I was about to purchase today. It is by the Light by Fire guys. And it is the Swedish Fire Steel 2.0 Army. It says, let's fire in any weather at any altitude. Guys, I'm not going to take it out of the box. Honestly, everyone knows pretty much what to do with the Ferris rod by now. This one was on my wish list because I just wanted to try out the Swedish model. I've heard incredible things about these guys. So I'll probably be bringing this to the channel at a later point in a follow-up video. Alright. Next item up, I should say. Here, we'll do it this way. Basically, you're paying $50 a month for the level 1, and the total retail value of this month's box is $99.45. So basically, you just doubled your money. That's not bad. That is not bad at all. Now, on to level 2. First item up is the Turd by Atwood Rope. It's got a $20 value. Turd stands for Tactical Rope Dispenser. Basically, this is just a very easily way to put 50 feet of paracord on your belt, have it in a spool, pull out what you need. There's a little, I believe it's right back there, little razor blade, slice it, and you got it right to the length you want. No offense, brother. When I saw this in a battle box once, I laughed my ass off. I really laughed my ass off when they sent us one from Microcord. And this one's just so cute and lovely and kind of funny and, you know, all that good stuff. But anywho, just because I may fart on it doesn't mean it's not great for somebody else. So, hey, the Turd by Atwood Rope. Move that out of the way. All right, next item up, and I've said it forever and a day. Knowledge is power. You can never, ever, 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 ever have enough knowledge. He helps supply it. The Pocket Outdoor Survival Guide. Got a value of about $10. And, you know, it looks pretty easy. Like edibles, insects, building fire, shelter. Guys, even if you find one item out of this book that you didn't know about or wasn't aware of or, you know, that kind of fun stuff, it's well worth the price. All right? I'll be bringing this to the channel like I do with some other stuff because I do a lot of book reviews. Look up there. There'll be a little card right up there. Now, this next one, I have to tell you, I had no clue about this company. No clue about it. No clue what they did, what they made, anything. Until that HMFIC over there at PMP, Jason talking to you, got an exclusive design that you can only find if you didn't get it in this box with PMP. That's right, guys. This is the Rhino tool. Man, I'm tongue-tied today. The Rhino tool by Rogan USA. Now, I know you guys are going to look at this and you're going to go, yay, a frickin' pry bar. Who cares? Well, you're wrong. Wrong. Now, this is why. This is the bastardized stepchild cross, basically between a knife and a pry bar. All right? Basically, it serves 4 major purposes. All right? Stop batoning with your frickin' fixed blades. Now you got something awesome to do it with. You know? This is 100% handmade here in the USA. That, I think, is freaking incredible. The fact they give you a little mini S-spinner that you can nail on there so you can attach it. From my understanding, that will slip down through molly webbing to attach, no problem. Here is more information about Rogan. Now, I got to tell you this, guys. I did not know about this until I sent Jason a text message a little bit ago and went, "You asshat, I love this box. It's awesome." And then he sat and went, "Really? What number Rhino tool did you get?" I honestly just thought that was just a little card that was backing it or protecting something or something ridiculous. Check your boxes. They're numbered. I had no clue I got number 4. He had no clue I got number 4. Okay, the camera just had a fart, so we'll try this again. You're getting a limited edition tool that's only going to help you survive out in the woods. Now, that being said, normally, guys, we break everything down and we go, okay, well, here's my thoughts, here's my here, here's my wherever. Guys, granted, it's only 5 items. All right? But this is the joy of monthly subscription boxes, especially with Jason. Bro, you gave us a hell of a fixed blade. I can't argue there. Me personally, I'm overjoyed at the Light My Fire Steel. I was going to buy one, save me the money. In this, ever since you've been putting it up, I can't wait to take this out and beat the crap out of it and have some fun. I guarantee you I'll have more stats, facts, figures, and all that other wonderful stuff when I do a follow-up video on the Rogan tool. Okay? I literally just opened this box maybe half an hour ago. And those of you who follow my channel, I've got 2 monsters home today, so yeah. I've been pretty busy. But I wanted to get this video out there. Now, this is the point in the video where we always go, bro and broskies and broettes and everybody else, broheims, brotater chips, protein shakes. I want to know what you think, guys. Leave your questions, comments, love, hatred, everything down below in the comment section. You know I'm going to get back with you. If you're a first-time viewer of the channel, you picked a pretty good one to start with. The PMP Prep Boxes are pretty damn good, and they hit pretty hard with good quality gear. I mean, I love it. He's like, you know, just the stuff you'll use, no fluff. My God, I need caffeine. I'm going to leave all those in there. That way y'all can laugh at me today. It's okay. I deserve to be laughed at. Now, for you really cool guys who haven't done it at the beginning of the video, or haven't done it yet, or on the edge about doing it, on the fence, right down there, there's going to be a big old channel logo. Man, go ahead and click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've destroyed that subscribe button, please beat the crap out of that bell. Try this again. Second fart by the camera. 2 videos are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. The PMP Prep Box, Level 2, November 2018. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day today.